हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक। जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Jai. Thank you, Ravishankar Kumarji. Thank you very much. Yeah, shall we start the session now, my dear children? Are you all ready? Yeah, I know your all mics are muted. So whenever I ask you some question, to say yes, you can say like this. Yeah. You can also show me your thumb like this. Okay, then I understand that you are receiving me. Okay.
Sir,
Because
one
in
second.
between,
Sir, one second. I just want to interrupt you. We
Yeah.
have a welcome speaker from Bengal. Are you there? Hello. Is there or not? Hello, can you hear me, Tanya?
Yeah. Sahib Koli.
Are you
Yes,
there?
sir. Yes, sir.
One second, sir. One second. Please, everyone, mute your mic. Please, everyone, mute your mic. Someone mic is muted. Whose mic is on? I will remove you from the meeting. Tanya, boss, please mute yourself. Please mute yourself before I remove you from the meeting. Tajia, are you there? Tajia, are you there? Tajia. Okay, she is not there, sir. You can proceed, sir. You can proceed.
Okay, welcome children. So I'm very glad to meet you all today, this afternoon. So igniting dreams of young minds. Sri Ravishankar Kumarji has given me a great opportunity to meet you all this afternoon, dear children. And it's my dream, in fact, quite a long time. So when do I meet children of Jammu Kashmir? So today it has come. So it's really, I feel like, very energetic to talk, discuss, and share and transform and transfer a lot of knowledge, okay, with all of you. So firstly, what I wanted to tell you, definitely as you are all there in Jammu Kashmir, so definitely in no time, in very soon, we will plan to come and visit you all. Okay, so that we'll see your Jammu Kashmir nicely, because it is my irada for a long time. So let me know firstly, shall we continue our session purely only in English, or you also can allow me to talk to you all in between Hindi also? So if you say yes, bilingual, both the languages will do together, then you keep your thumb like this. If you say no, only in English, then you keep thumb down. Okay. So just I want to see you guys, which is better. Okay. Good. Then we'll go in both the languages combined together. Okay. Anyway, good. I know you are all studying in a very wonderful school. So today's our topic, we'll discuss a little more about, our India, and especially in space arena, and I mean, research in space and all these areas we'll talk. So to introduce myself, my dear children, I'm a science and technology specialist for children with a lot of experience, almost 45 years of life experience. So I wanted to share so many wide variety of subject knowledges to all of you in science and technologies. Okay. So today's, as we have taken the topic as role of ISRO in nation development. Okay. So we need to understand role of ISRO in nation development in the sense, you all know that nation, you all well aware about our own nation, and then also the development and all, because yourself is a part of a big development as well. But however, we need to understand lot much about ISRO. Then you can club all these things. Okay. So what is ISRO? ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. You all know that because ISRO is doing many great things in Indian space odyssey. Okay. So at this point of time, so some of the great achievements which have been done by ISRO and all, I wanted to share through my PPT and all, so that you can also be a part of ISRO also. That's what I wanted to share with all of you, so that some of you guys more who are interested in astrophysics and all, they can raise their interest furthermore to become an ISRO scientist as well. Okay, that's one good interesting area. And other way around, it's interesting. Actually, I'll tell you, a lot of children always enjoy something going into space, especially I know for sure throughout the nation, as I've seen hundreds of schools everywhere, children are enjoying with the rockets. They more talk about rockets because anyway they know about aeroplanes and helicopters and so rockets are more interesting for all the children. Okay, because they always see like something is going into space where, so that's where because always solar system and all well taught into your regular schools. So children are imaging all those such wonderful things, and they get inspired if something practical happening into the school system, what they are learning out from social studies and all. Okay. So, but before we really go into our regular main session through my PowerPoint presentation, if you allow me for 5-10 minutes, I wanted to check your interest and knowledge into this area. So how do I do that? I have plenty of tricky questions, thousands of tricky questions, because I'm specialist in developing your critical and creative thinking. So that's where I have a lot of questions. Though my questions look very small, but they will connect you to so much of imagination, because imagination is more important than the knowledge, my dear children. Will you agree with me or not? Imagination is more important. Why? Because the knowledge what you get out is from your regular books. So what I mean to say, what Albert Einstein once said is that imagination more important knowledge, because knowledge is limited to the books, whatever you study, but your imagination can answer close across the universe. That's where. So I wanted to be, as moved with Dr. Kalam for a lot of time. So once Dr. Kalam, every time, whenever Dr. Kalam goes to any school or any college to deal children and all, to talk with children and all, and in all his speeches, he used to mention that uniqueness, a word, something called uniqueness. So you all know the meaning of uniqueness, right? You wanted to become a unique in the universe. Okay. So how do we do that? That and all can always be shared. Okay. So we have to think different. Then only it is possible to make something happen unique, right? So that unique in the school and unique in the area, unique in the nation, unique in the universe. So ultimately, okay. But before we really go into that area, we'll ask you some few interesting questions. First question to all my Jammu Kashmir students is, so where we are now, I don't know where you all sitting, I don't know where we are all now. Anyone wanted to answer where we are? So you can definitely unmute and answer that. I want to know.
Sir, we are in home.
Okay.
Sir, we are.
Okay. Any other place? Anyone wanted to say any other answer than that answer? Yeah, go ahead. Oh, you are there on the earth. Saurya Singh said we are on the earth. Yeah. Go ahead, tell me.
Sir, we are on our home planet Earth.
Oh, who said that? Raise their hand. Oh, wonderful. Saurya Singh, yeah, 7th grade. Oh, wonderful. Yeah, excellent. Yeah, mother planet Earth. So anyone wanted to say anything else? I want some more answers. Every answer is looking good, but I want some other better answer. Yeah, anyone wanted to? Yeah.
Sir, India.
Go ahead. Okay, we are in India. Any other answer? Yeah. Another 1 minute, only 1 minute. We are running out of time. So any other? Yeah, come on, go ahead.
Sir, we are living in coronavirus pandemic.
Of course, that's a problem. We are going to solve the problem. So the problems are created by some other, but India is providing solutions for all that. So India means intellectuals. So designing solutions and applying to all the various other countries also. So come on, tell me where we are. Last 1 minute.
On Earth. Sir, on Earth.
On Earth, okay. Somebody said
Sir?
Mother Planet, Mother Earth, okay.
Sir,
No, next. हाँ. बोलो जल्दी बोलो.
sir,
हम लोग
our planet Earth is in the galaxy
Oh.
Milky Way.
Very good, excellent. Okay, that's a good answer. Okay, that's what really I'm expecting. Okay, so हमारा अर्थ जो है वो सोलर सिस्टम के अंदर है और वो सोलर सिस्टम है वो यूनिवर्स के अंदर है, क्योंकि लोग आपको मालूम है ना एक सोलर सिस्टम नहीं है और कुछ सोलर सिस्टम है ना. कुछ एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स से बहुत सारे रिसर्च चल रहा है, बहुत सारे लोग एस्ट्रोफिजिक्स साइंटिस्ट वगैरह टेलीस्कोप लेके पूरा खोदता रहता है ना. So that and all is a big research is going on all about, right? Yes sir, agree with me. But now, why is that I'm asking you that small question, though it's a tiny question? Why is that I'm asking that small question? To make you understand how fortunate we are that we are there on Mother Planet, Mother Earth. But however, Mother is a part of the system. Which system? The solar system. Yes or no? We all agree with that, right? So how beautiful is this solar system, what we have, in which we are part of it now? Yes or no, my dear children? Do you agree with me? Will you agree with me? So how beautiful is that? If you can imagine,
Yes,
suppose tonight if you go on rooftop and just keep watching the sky, and then you will understand how beautiful is the solar system, how beautiful is the, just keep thinking, okay? And then what could be the universe, and what are all the parts of the universe, and what makes universe, how this universe functions, in which the solar system and solar, can anyone say what are all the various things are there in our regular solar system? I mean the main solar system, which where our mother planet, Mother Earth is there. Can anyone say what are all the things there in our mother planet? I mean our own solar system. Can anyone say?
The stars, asteroids, meteors.
Sir, planets.
Sir, there are
Okay.
planets,
Okay.
Planets.
stars,
Very good.
Sun.
asteroids,
Excellent,
and
excellent.
and sir, there is a comet belt named as Quiz.
So interesting. There are so many things. Yes, very
Sun,
interesting.
moon.
Very interesting. Okay, now why I'm asking you all that? See the another interesting question. You know, have you heard about our people are trying to go on to Mars? Have you heard about it? People are doing a lot of research to reach
Yes, sir.
Mars and all. So Mars, Mangalyaan, we are our India has done, Israel has done Mangalyaan. You all have aware of it? Heard about it? Why is it I'm asking you all that? Why all the people across the mother planet are trying to reach Mars? Already they went and saw, on the moon and all. And Chandrayaan and all, our rovers are trying to do the best. In Chandrayaan 2 also tried to do the best. Okay, that and all has happened. Okay, but now people are now thinking something about reaching Mars mission. Recently, NASA also sent, successfully reached. Our Indian origin, Swati Mohan is the mission director for the entire Mars mission, recently handled by NASA. So why is that these people are trying to reach Mars is that question. And you all know that the Mars rovers, they are dropping some, yeah, go ahead, please go ahead, tell me why people are interested in reaching Mars. To find out what,
Sir, because
what is
life
on Mars.
is life on Mars. There could be
life on Mars,
life
okay. Now, yes, you all said that life on Mars. They are interested in understanding life
Sir,
on Mars. Okay.
Sir, because they
Sir, yes.
found some water.
Saurya Singh, just listen to me. Actually, yeah, as you rightly said that yeah, they are trying to find life on Mars. Not only trying to find the life on Mars, the possibility of life onto the Mars. Is it possible or not? Can people can live there or not? Already someone has lived there or not is another question. But can we go and live onto the Mars and all is another question. So the possibilities are more important, dear Saurya Singh. You understand? So now the question, that means we are trying to find various other ways to explore the space, right? The reason I'm asking all that, there is something become less on our mother planet because we are already highly populated, highly dense, and then the resources on the earth are not sufficient enough for the population the way we are all growing in our mother planet. Yes, so we have to think about it, one thing. So to control or to save something and then find out expansion, whatnot, and all the various other questions. Various. You can think about various other. You can Google what are all the benefits that the great advantage reaching on Mars and doing on Mars and living on Mars. So what on Mars? Why other not on other planets? Another question you can have, and all these things. Why I'm discussing with you to basically to little ignite and inspire. I mean, the reason I wanted to say little ignition because you know for sure that ISRO. Send a lot of rockets to space. You remember, you know all that. Every time launch is taking place, and then definitely, what exactly they do, you know, countdown. Anybody know about countdown, my dear children? Anybody know countdown? I'm going to show all that. Countdown, you know, no, like lastly when they say that, like, you know, the numbers come down and lastly, you will see, yeah, right, you are right. So countdown exactly at once the countdown is over, then immediately you will see a little fire underneath, the bottom on the stand, you know, the immediately you'll find little fire there, and after that massive huge fire comes out, and then it accelerates. The rocket body accelerates. Underline this word very importantly, acceleration. Okay, it accelerates. Okay, so acceleration is very important word that all my students must know. Okay, so it accelerates so fastly, my God. So immediately, it in no time, in few seconds, every second, it changes its velocity in every second. That is what is acceleration. Okay, the rate of change of velocity. So what is that I mean to say? It picks up such a high velocity and go into space in no time to just help us to drop our satellites to wherever we are planned and we are interested in leaving the satellites. Okay, like dropping the satellite or orbiting the satellites. Okay, so these are all the words. So ultimately, what you all can have a question in right now. What are all the various rockets so far we did, and why we did all the different models of rockets, one thing. And second thing is that, so what are all the various applications of satellites? Because, you know, for sure there are, before we go into that satellite area, I can also ask you one more interesting question. There are some natural satellites and there are some artificial satellites. Okay. So, do you know any natural satellite?
Yes,
So moon is a natural satellite. Okay, now you understand the meaning of satellite. Okay, which is which is turning around the earth is a satellite too. So you can also build your own satellite. Okay, it doesn't matter. I can give you the idea how do you build all that satellites of your own school children's student satellites. Okay, like a Kalam sat and all, which went into the orbit and it's working. It worked for time. Okay, recently another 3U student made satellite also went up from China students, Space Kids students. They have done it. Now, why is that I'm asking about all this? And there are various variety of satellites we will discuss now in next after 5 minutes, and I'll show you the various different satellites also. But you can have a question. What are all the various different satellites made by various other companies, and request ISRO to push them into orbits and all. That's another important point. So that means you all have to have a wonderful idea about applications of satellites. So I will try to explain few, but have a wonderful question as your guided and mentored by me, you can always give me a Guru Darshana kind of thing through finding out more applications of satellites. Okay, you can do whatever research you want, maybe through Googling and your teachers and books and whatnot. Okay, with all that you can gain, and you can also have your own idea of making your own satellite for your own ideas purpose. That satellite can also be pushed into the orbit, and you can get the work done of that particular design of the satellite. You can also have your own questions. For those, the designs can be done and make a satellite and push it. That's what is space. Space is unlimited for all of you guys to do whatever you want. Okay, that's one important thing. So with this, I think before we really go into the PowerPoint presentation, because already now 20 minutes, so I'll just spend another 2-3 minutes here to just warm you up, understand with another question that which is the nearest airport you have there, my dear children. I don't know where you are sitting now. You simply said firstly a home and all, but my friend Ravi Shankar ji told me that you are in Jammu Kashmir. Yes or no? So exactly in which city you are all there, I don't know.
Sir, Nanak Nagar.
One thing, Jammu, you are.
Yes, sir, we are in Jammu.
Okay, you are there in Jammu, but is there any airport in Jammu? Have you ever seen airport in Jammu?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How many airplanes comes a day there?
Yes, sir.
10 or 20 and 50, 100. How many airplanes comes there a day?
The 50.
50. 50 airplanes comes there. 50.
Sir, 3030.
अच्छा, ठीक है. 30 वो 30 एरोप्लेन तक आने का उधर संभावना है. ठीक है. अच्छा, and why is that I ask you that question? They're all small or big, sizes differing, right? I don't know how biggest aeroplane has come there. I don't know. But sometimes, have you ever seen helicopters also?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever seen helicopters?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here one interesting question is, helicopters also small or big? Some helicopters can carry 2 people, some helicopters can carry 4 or 6, some helicopters can carry 20, 30 also. So there are wide variety of helicopters also made for various other purposes. Okay, but again in airplanes also there are airplanes like to carry 20 people. There are airplanes to carry 100 people. There are airplanes to carry 300 people. Likewise, there are so many wide variety of airplanes. And in similar, we also have a differences in rockets also. But now, in Jammu, is there any train station? Or train station is there? Jammu train. Okay. And Jammu also has got a bus stand where government buses and all will come, because it's a big hadda, because tourist place, a lot of buses come from a lot of other places. Okay. Now, why is that I'm asking you all this? Like, suppose say the place where the airplanes comes there, that is called airport. Yes or no? Remember this.
Yes,
This is very important, my dear children. Now the question goes to all of you is what, suppose say there is a quite a lot big difference between an airplane to helicopter. Have you ever seen the difference? The difference is what? Can anyone say? There's a huge difference between. Both can take you to one place to the other place. Okay, point A to point B. Okay, but there is a difference between helicopter to aeroplane. Okay, anyone wanted to share the difference? What is the difference between helicopter to?
Sir, helicopter can carry 2 to 3 people, aeroplane can carry many
model
people.
is different.
The model is different. Okay, and now Shahib, answer that. You wanted to say, Shahib Kohli, answer.
Sir, helicopter can carry 2 or 3 people, but an aeroplane can carry many people.
अच्छा, अगर मुझे मतलब 2-3 आदमी ले जाने के लिए मतलब if I ask you the question not related to the people, number of people carried, वो मुझे इतना important नहीं है ना? तो फिर भी अगर कुछ फर्क है, there is a lot of difference.
Sir, it's body.
हाँ, बताइए.
Sir, it's body.
Sir, it's engine. Sir, helicopter is costly than.
Uh,
Sir, it's engines.
I want functional difference. Functional difference. कुछ फर्क है बहुत दोनों में बहुत अच्छा खतरनाक फर्क है. So what is that main फर्क?
Sir,
Huh?
the helicopter is costly.
Helicopter.
Sir, helicopter have a big fan in its top.
Okay. Any other? Okay. Now I'll give you one hint. Okay. Hint is the purpose. So why they made helicopter? Because I know for sure 1903 December 16, the first historic place took place, okay, in America, United States of America.
Can I speak?
Exactly. 2003 December 16, I am there in the place because they wanted to fly the same historic plane made by Wright brothers. But of course, other innovators could not make it happen. So they all got disappointed because the inventor knows much better than the innovator. So the invented aeroplane could not fly on that 100-year celebration. That's a different story. But I've seen that, the first basic historic aeroplane, the way they designed and made it proved that it works, like it went down, flew up, and then it has taken, for 16 historic takeoff. Now, I'm asking you, okay, can anyone say why they have invented, they have designed and made that helicopter when we have already invented and made that aeroplane?
For armies.
For army,
Helicopters
okay.
are used for armies and rescue operations.
Oh, okay, that's wonderful. Lot of times in Jammu Kashmir area and all, Uttarakhand and all, last time heavy floods have come. At that time, our Indian Army, Braveheart, our soldiers worked very hard, and they helped greatly the women of that locality to lift it up and all. They have done very great job. Actually, they should not come less than 2,000 feet, but even they went down to 1,000 feet and then saved the people. Our Indian Army, my God, very brave, very brave. Now, my children, okay.
Sir, these are used for the to travel the short distance.
If the distance is not also my important point, so what could be else? समझे कि मेरा question है.
Whereas the rotor blades of a helicopter spin incredibly fast and provide the lift that the helicopter needs to take flight.
Shruti ji, मतलब you are very closely coming to my expected answer. आपका answer और एक बार बता दीजिए. You are very close to my expected answer.
The rotor blades of a helicopter spin incredibly fast and provide the lift that the helicopter needs to take flight.
अच्छा श्रुति, जो आपने जो बताया ना, incredibly fast and lift the helicopter, उधर ही है मेरा expected answer उधर ही है. वही हमारा कोई दोस्त लोग पकड़ रहे नहीं, they are not catching the same point. तो वही point का और थोड़ा elaborate कर देगा. उधर ही है मेरा expected answer उधर ही है. Why do we need a helicopter when we already have the aeroplane?
And whereas an aeroplane requires constant airflow over its wings to stay long.
Shruti, you are going little ahead than my expected answer. First time you have come to close, when now in the aeroplane you are going little more than my expected answer. Shall I tell you now? Because time is running out. Shall I tell you? बोल दूं क्या? मैं ही बोल दूं क्या? Last 30 seconds. किसी के लिए भी anybody can take this idea, है ना? क्यों बनाना पड़ा हम लोगों को हेलीकॉप्टर जब भी हमारा पास ऑलरेडी मतलब एरोप्लेन है, फिर भी मतलब हवा में उड़ने के लिए हेलीकॉप्टर क्यों बनाना पड़ा?
Because rotor blade can spin incredibly fast.
अच्छा सुनिए, फिर आंसर मैं बता रहा हूँ. ओके, यू आर ऑल रेडी फॉर माय आंसर? आंसर इज, अगर एरोप्लेन चलने के लिए रनवे जरूरी पड़ती है ना? एक रनवे में कॉर्नर में जाएगा, फिर इंजन्स को स्पीड कर लेगा, फिर बाद में रनवे के अंदर सेंटर में आने तक ना पायलट और कुछ भी सोच लेगा. जैसे पूरा का पूरा एरोप्लेन कितना भी लोग रहने दो, कितना भी वजन के साथ, ऑलमोस्ट विथ 100 पीपल विथ 100 किलोग्राम 10 टन्स ऑफ लोड विल बी लिफ्टेड इन स्प्लिट ऑफ सेकंड. मास मूवमेंट को लिफ्ट कर देगा, क्योंकि वो कुछ करेगा. और क्या कैप्टन अंदर से पायलट कुछ कर देगा, क्या करेगा अंदर, मतलब पायलट मुझे नहीं मालूम, आप लोग को सोचना होगा. बिकॉज ऑफ पायलट डिसीजन and what is happening, even without pilots also autopilot mode aeroplanes also has come now. तो वो लोग कैसे सोच लेते हैं कि मतलब रिक्वायर्ड थ्रस्ट आने के बाद तो अभी उसका एनर्जी सफिशिएंट जैसा सोचती है एरोप्लेन, so immediately there is something happening. Okay, that is what is making the lift of aeroplane. In similar, ये जो इतना बड़ा रनवे चाहिए और मतलब हर जगह में नहीं मिल सकता है, हर जगह में नहीं आ सकता है, उतर नहीं सकता है, उड़ नहीं सकता है, इसके लिए हेलीकॉप्टर बनाया. So helicopter can take off from any place and land at any place. Yes or no? But other drawbacks, as you all said, it cannot go far a place, it cannot speed go, and it cannot carry more people, and all that secondary things. But first main advantage is that it can take off at any point and it can land at any point and it can help anyone. Yeah? So that is another important. But aeroplane cannot. Aeroplane, you all have to go to
The
the
helicopter
airport.
does not need a long runway.
That's why. Okay, that's why we made helicopter. That is constructional difference. Now, my dear Akal Preet Kaur, now that next point goes to you. So on the helicopter in the back side, there is a small rotor. On top of it, as our Suti Sharma ji told me, there's a massive big rotor, very speed running on top of the pilot sitting in the helicopter, right? So that is called main rotor. But there is another small rotor on the back tail. So you need to think why the small rotor is required. If that is not there, helicopter can't even take off for 1 inch height also.
Sir, to
Forget
balance. Sir, to
about
balance.
who said the balance? Who said? Raise their hand.
Part.
Balance. Huh? Oh, okay. Parth Anand. Yes, exact. In the entire nation, you are the first one in 1 millisecond gave me answer to balance. Okay, Parth, excellent student. Okay, but no, Parth, you have to have this. What is that it is balancing? That is next question to you. You don't have to answer now. Okay, think about it. Later you can. What is that it is balancing? What kind of balance is that? You can figure it out and tell me later. Okay, now these are the questions, my dear friends. Now we'll go into our main session. So as we know that about helicopter and aeroplane and then rocket engines and then cryogenic engines, okay, because we have to keep our objects in the required orbits and all the points and all, okay, in the space very far, like 38,000 kilometers and all, okay. So we have to go above the gravitational pull and all. So required acceleration to be given to the object, then only it can escape from the atmospheric gravitational pull. That is 10 point. What is that escape velocity? Does someone know about it? So the object which gains the velocity more than that velocity only, that can go into space, so that the gravity won't be affected onto that body. Okay, that is called escape velocity. You need to know that. Now, my dear children, I'm going to share my screen and then we can talk all about. Okay, shall we go ahead about it? Shall I take you to my PowerPoint presentation and then shall we do all that? So are you all ready and energetic
Yes,
for next 30 minutes continuously?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay, then we'll go. Wait, 1 second. Give me 1 second. I hope you are enjoying. So just opening my PPT. So it will take another 10 seconds also. Okay. So once it comes on, then immediately we can start the points. Because I have included a lot of images, that's why it is taking some time. Okay, my dear children. Role of ISRO national development. Please write down this. Role of ISRO in national development. So here and then I might ask you at 10 to 12 to different times to write down something, important points. That's where you need to have paper pen close to you so that, are you all ready? Okay, write down role of ISRO in national development. So science and its application convert science into the technology. Engineering engineering will do that, and to produce the manufacturing for economy and environment, linking to the society. Okay, so we are in society basically. So we are social beings. We are human beings. So we have to help together. So science for humanity, we have to think about. So let's go to this slide. What is that I'm going to explain about this slide, my dear children? You know Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi. Anybody know about Mahatma Gandhi?
He's the father of
He is the father of the nation. Father of the
Yes,
nation.
Akalpreet, yes, you are right. All of you children very spontaneously answering, my dear children. I'm enjoying working with my Jammu Kashmir children. Yeah, so father of nation. Similarly, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai is the father of Indian space program. Okay, so you can note down that name, the listen's name is a great man. So who established ISRO? So Vikram Sarabhai. You can note it down. He has done so much. So you can Google and find out so much. Vikram Sarabhai. That's why father of Indian space program. Okay. This slide will help you understand. So in the beginning, almost so many years ago in my childhood days, in fact, they used to carry the test equipment, the sounding rackets, and to the cycles and bicycles, and then bullock cart. That's all these things they used to carry because space sports at Sriharikota and all not made by the time at the time. So they used to carry all that because they are the ones who thought like India has to do something in space arena. That's where Vikram Sarabhai started. See, Dr. Kalam is also working there in one picture, and then at the time, Prime Minister of India, Srimati Indira Gandhi ji also is working with Dr. Kalam and all, and they're all working together at the time and discussing together. And finally, today, after all these years of ISRO's effort, and finally, you see in the down, you see 36 tire trailer, the truck and all carrying such a massive big rocket engines, and then the parts of rockets and all that. So this